Do you need a quick and easy Mother's Day card idea? Well, I have one for you, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I have a really easy Mother's Day insert card to show you. The insert cards that are on my blog have been very popular, I think, because they're super easy to make. You can make them really quick, and you can also batch make them, which means you can just duplicate the design and make several of them, and they're so universal that you can just write somebody's name, a quick message, and then you're done. They're just easy to make. I love them. People seem to love them on the blog. That's why I keep making them. And this one is definitely so pretty and so unique. I even wish that I could get it, and I'm not technically a mother, but I do think that I would love to receive one of these, even though I designed it, but that's okay. That's kind of like baking your own birthday cake, right? But that's okay, never mind. I would love that. Husband, daughter, think of me, please. It's upstairs in my craft room. Anyway, let's move on to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file. Then we will go to Design Space, and then we can get started making it. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out a form and be emailed the password to the library. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the File Library. Once you type in the password and hit Enter, you'll be brought to all of our files. You're going to want to look for number 73, which will be the Mother's Day insert card. Click that hyperlink and then download it to your computer. Alright, now that we have a new project in Design Space, we're going to head to Upload, then Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded that file onto our computer, and hit Open, and then Upload. Now highlight that image, and then click Insert Image, and it will bring it into our canvas. You can see that everything over here has been done for you. I've set all of your score lines and cut lines. The only thing is you might see this warning sign on the draw layer, which just means that the color that I set it in my design software isn't compatible with Design Space. So you'll just have to change the pen color under the operation. You want to change the pen color, and then you go ahead and click Make It. Alright, you see the three mats, you can click Continue, and then once your machine connects to Design Space, you can select your materials, and we can go ahead and get started cutting it. For this project, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, all of our cardstock, our Cricut pen, your choice of color of course, the scoring wheel or scoring stylus, and the Cricut scraper. Also some glue just in case you might want to glue down any of the insert. And a weeding tool in case you need to weed out any of the little bits. So I'm going to go ahead and load my paper onto my mat and then get it into the machine, and I will see you when everything's all done. Okay, now that everything's been cut out, we can go ahead and assemble this card. So the first thing that we need to do is fold along the score line of the outer card layer. Flip it over and press the fold with our scraper. Just like that. Then we can open it up and go ahead and insert the insert layer into the little tabs. And there we go. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now we can go ahead and fold up the envelope. So we want to fold along the score lines of the envelope. You can press the folds if you like. I'm using a little bit of a lighter cardstock, so I'm not going to go ahead and press the fold. Add some glue or adhesive to the bottom of the side flaps. And then bring the bottom flap up, forming the envelope. There you go. This is such a sweet card to give to any mom. How pretty is that? I think that anybody would love to receive it. Mothers, grandmothers, aunts, it's just really, really pretty. I love how that design turned out. It's always fun to see when you have something in your head and then it actually comes out after the Cricut cuts it out. It's fun. That's why I love doing this. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of insert cards, lots of Cricut stuff, so make sure that you do check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. I hope that every mother has a wonderful Mother's Day, and I will see you all soon. Bye.